afraid, abused, terrified, tortured. These are just a few words that describe the life of an animal cracker. Lacking the strength to flee, most of these creatures never make it past 2 months. They suffer unimaginable acts of physical, mental, and yes, even verbal violence. They are bitten, broken, stomped, chewed, and spit upon. The ones that survive this abuse live the remainder of their life in tight quarters with no food or water. Many die of boredom, and the rest go stale with sadness. We urge the public to please choose an animal cracker-free diet. Animal crackers, show them that you care.